everyone. I, Mrs. Amandeep Kaur from Madhavras India Public School. I hope you all are taking precautions against COVID-19. Now today we will discuss about operating system. It is a very important for computers. The operating system is a system software and is the most important program that runs on a computer. Every general purpose computer must have an operating system to run other programs. An operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware and software resources. It is the first program loaded into memory when the computer is turned on, and it brings life to the computer hardware. Without it, you cannot use your word processing software, spreadsheet softwares, or other applications. Following are the different ways the operating system is defined as. Operating system is a program that mediates between application program and the hardware. Operating system control and support the usage of computer system. Operating system is the software that controls the execution of computer programs and which provide scheduling, debugging, input-output control, compilation, data and store management, and related services. The operating system must be loaded into primary storage. This process of loading is called as booting the system. Operating system play an important role just as management of the processors, management of input-output devices, file management, information management, management of execution of applications. Now, some examples of operating systems are MS-DOS, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Vista, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Linux, Unix, etc. These are the examples of operating system. Now, different functions of an operating system are: first one is process management, second is memory management, third one is file management, next is security management, and the last is command interpreter. Now, the first one is process management. The process management module of an operating system take care of the creation and deletion of processes, scheduling of various system resources. A process is only one instant of a program in execution. Major activities of an operating system in regard to process management are: a mechanism of process communication, creation and deletion of user and system processes, a mechanism of process synchronization. Now, the next one is memory management. The operating system manages the computer memory and ensures that each process must have enough memory to work. Foremost activities of an operating system in view to memory management are: keep track of which part of memory is currently being used and by whom, decide which process is loaded into memory and when memory space becomes available, allocate and deallocate memory space as needed. Now the next one is file management. A file is a collection of related information defined by its creators. Computer can store files on the disk which provide long-term storage. Activities of an operating system in view to file management are: the creation and deletion of file, creation and deletion of directories, backup of files on stable storage media, the mapping of files onto secondary storage. Now the next one is security management. The security module of an operating system protects the resources and information of a computer. Now the last one is command interpreter. It is an interface between system and the user. It understands and executes commands that are entered interactively by a human being or from a program. There are two types of user interface. First one is command line and second one is graphical user interface. Now, with the command line user interface, the user interface with the operating system by typing command to perform specific task. And with the graphical user interface, the user interact with operating system by using a mouse to access window icons and menus. Now, at the end, we can say that without operating system, the computer cannot run the applications and the program. Thank you, dear children.